The guy who created these glide cruisers. Take a look. Kind of a cross between a bike and a scooter with a motor, but not a moped. Not to be confused with a moped.
Not to be confused at all. Now she's taking us into his production facility so we can see how this is all made in Gold River, where I used to live. Hey, Court.
What's up, Court?
Hey, Court. Hey, good morning, guys. Okay, so here's what they are. These are the glide cruisers. You saw them in the video. This is what they look like when they're all put together. But the technology to actually get these things to do what they do is absolutely amazing. This is Chris, the guy who has figured out how to make these work. Now, first off, you were a water skier, right?
Yeah, back in the day.
Back in the day. But that's where you got the idea to want to do something like this, right?
Well, that was part of it. I just really enjoyed the idea of having something you could lean into a turn and feel the G-forces. So, you know.
You like
Yeah,
G-forces.
that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, I do.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is one of the glide cruisers before, you know, you've assembled all the wiring and all that kind of stuff. And it's an electric vehicle.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so the idea behind it, you've got all the different parts up here. Tell me what you got lined up out here. Because a lot of people are going to wonder, why does it cost so much? We're going to explain that part.
Oh, absolutely. There's a lot that goes into these. And we start with our highly fashioned aluminum frame. And then we put in our wiring harnesses, which take quite a bit of time to build, and electrical components that interface with our battery systems. Here's our key control center there, and a controller unit. So that gets mounted here, and then we can switch over and
so if you take a look at this one, this is one that's almost done.
Yeah.
You've got the batteries that you actually had specially built in Japan?
These are built for us in China.
In China.
Specific to our frame size. And
which is not cheap.
Oh, no. No, it isn't. And they're very heavy, so expensive to ship in. But
so when you actually turn the motor on...
yeah, so we bench test them. And so there's the key, and here's the throttle. And then you can see the motor moving here. And
looks like it works to me.
Yeah, this one's about ready to go. So
okay.
The next step is we're going to put on our deck, and you can see there's lighting strips here. These are our LED light strips, which are all part of our auxiliary lighting program. I've got one strip underneath here that you can see. So
the whole thing is totally lit up. So if you take a look at this one over here, this one is like completely done. Once it's all charged up and ready to go, you flip on all the lights, and it just starts glowing. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, so now not only do you have these, but you also have the ones that you can use for, you know, if police department want to use them, right?
Yeah, correct. So we're doing a police patrol model as well.
Sounds good. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a little road test, okay? Coming up in the next hour, we're actually going to see him take one of those turns he loves to take on the water skis, and the learning curve for these things are so easy. I'm actually going to make I'm going to ask my photographer
You're going to tell him.
Actually hop on one of these things and take it for a spin.
You don't want to feel the G-force for yourself, Court? You don't want to feel that G-force for yourself? Come on.
Well,
now.
Here's the thing. I have already ridden a glide cruiser. It was amazing. I will ride another one, but I like to share. I'm going to share with you.
You're a giver.
She is a giver.
You know what I love about them? I love the LED lights. It's like a cross between a scooter and a pimped-out limo.
It's totally pimped out. It is.
Or like you're at the movie theater.
Yeah. Nice, Court.
Visible at night.
It does. All right, guys. See you in a bit.
Thanks.
Thank you, Court.
All right.